The free Whirlpool Quiet Partner 3 dishwasher has just completed its first testing cycle with 2 fan guards inside. I used for soap the Simply Done, which is our local grocery store brand, dishwashing gel, and I used some TSP. I put both of them in there. The guards were not particularly dirty, but they had like a brownish kind of film on them, it was very similar to the color of this water. So this looks extremely promising. Holy cow! They're white! Oh my gosh! Okay, that I was not expecting. Oh my goodness, that is unbelievable. These are spotless. Well, it's a little squeaky, but we've got a winner here. This is a great machine. Wow. I can't believe how clean these became. Wow. So the blade is kind of what the guards looked like. It had that like kind of brown, not mold, but just like basement scuzzy stuff on there. This is what it looks like when you clean it off. And the guards, oh man, this is a game changer. These guards are spotless. Unbelievable. Wow. Well, that's fantastic. That's the best $15 I've spent in a long time. Well, we know this works, so tomorrow I'll go ahead and clean out the machine and swap it in place. And I guess I'll just cancel out that other one. I kind of wanted to keep it because it came with the house, but it's not vintage. It really has no value. And it does, something is wrong. It doesn't work right. But this one, this is a good machine. And this one's not that old either. This is from 2011, so this is a pretty recent make, but it still works, and it works good. I hope these are a standard size. I would imagine that it probably is. Wow, that is great. I've wanted to have a dishwasher for cleaning fan guards for so many years, and it was such a disappointment when this one didn't work. But now I've got one that works. Yeah, I've always felt like Whirlpool made a really good appliance. Even up to this day, I still think they make some of the best stuff. It's nowhere near as good as what it used to be, but for newer stuff, I definitely think that Whirlpool is the way to go.